What exactly is data analysis? Data analysis is the listening and telling of stories behind data. You have to be creative, you have to zoom in to uncover helpful and insightful information that can help organizations to thrive. It involves cleaning, transforming, relating to various fields, and presenting data to stakeholders in a manner that they can easily relate with and make an informed decision. Trust me, when it comes to data, you are not alone. A data telling story is a journey that usually don't start with you, the analyst, but it is most likely to end with you, the analyst. Data gathering takes effort and it may likely be out of your scope. We have the data engineer who provide and set up on-premise to cloud data platforms to receive this data. We have the database administrator who is responsible for database solution to store the data. We have the data scientist who performs advanced analytics to extract value from data. And this data is being delivered to you, the data analyst, to profile, to clean, to transform data and present it in a manner that stakeholders can easily relate with. There are various categories of data analysis. We have the descriptive analysis that talks about what happened, the diagnostic, why it happens, the predictive, what will happen, the prescriptive, actions to be taken, and the cognitive, what might happen if certain condition changes and how to proceed. There are three different types of data. We have the telemetry data. These are data gotten from devices. For example, those devices we put on to monitor the condition of our heart. The time and attendance, that is the clock in and clock out device to monitor staff attendance. Those are telemetry data. We also have signals, which are data that are gotten from social medias. And finally, transactional data. We will be working with transactional data. So what exactly is a transactional data? A transactional data relates to the day-to-day transactions of the organizations, and it also includes the data that are captured. So when you walk into a hospital and you walk up to the front desk officer or the receptionist and the purpose of your visit is being recorded, a transactional data has been created. When you walk into the grocery shop to pick up an item and that item is recorded as a purchase or sales, a transactional data has been recorded. When you fill those online forms, those questionnaires, those enrollment forms, a transactional data is also being generated. So how are transactional data delivered to the analyst for analysis? There are three basic formats in which data can be delivered to the analyst. And these are the Microsoft SQL, Microsoft Excel, that is the spreadsheet format. We have the CSV, which is the comma separated values. We also have the SQL format. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. There are various database management systems that can be used in generating this SQL data. We have the Microsoft SQL Server, we have the MongoDB, we have the MySQL, we have the Oracle. These are various platforms that can be used to generate or extract data for analysis in SQL format. However, there are several other ways that data can be delivered to the analyst, such as using the OneDrive, using SharePoint, and even using a web URL. But these are the most common, the basic and most frequently used format in delivering data to the analyst. This is the basic introduction of data analysis. In our next session, we're going to focus on setting up our platform so that we can start getting our hands busy. So see you in the next session.